Okay, so there's something that I never really noticed. This quick and disconnect fitting right here. Each time that I bought from AutoZone the Duralast part, it does not come with this guy. So each time I've been doing this job, I've been reusing the old one. And with the Napa, it actually has a new one right there. Honestly, besides being a disconnect, is there another purpose for that guy? Does anybody know out there? If it's like a one-way check valve, I don't think it's a one-way check valve, but is there a purpose to this guy? I haven't blown air through it, but on this old one I'm gonna try it. But I'm curious now if it's supposed to be like a check valve too, or something. But each time I've dropped the transmission and used the Duralast product, it never came with this guy here.